Communication is the exchange of information between two people or a group of people. On my experience, communication has already failed and succeeded. A situation wherein communication had failed was when my mom and dad were giving me some reminders about the things I need to do while they were gone. But I wasn't really paying attention because I was playing Candy Crush. And when they asked me if I understood what they said, I only said yes, and they thought that I got it. There are possible reasons why communication is a failure. One is non-receptiveness, wherein the receiver did not fully understand the speaker. The second reason is assumption, assuming that the other person is in the same place as us. So, there are possible solutions if communication is a failure, is try to have more focus on what the speaker is saying and understand it fully. Another is to improve your listening skills and your speaking skills because communication is a two-way process and we need to possess both of the skills.